Welcome to IBM Support TV, where we answer questions and share technical support information, hints, and tips on IBM products.
How do I add an SSL-enabled LDAP to a WebSphere federated repository setup? This setup assumes that you have already set up a federated repository using the file-based registry. If you have not completed the steps, visit the comments section for a link on how this is done. Log in with your credentials. Expand security. Click SSL Certificate and Key Management. Click Key Stores and Certificates. Click Sell Default Trust Store. Note, if it's a standalone application server not federated to a deployment manager, choose No Default Trust Store. If you're not using the default, choose the correct trust store. Click Signer Certificates. Click Retrieve from Port. Type the host name of the LDAP server. Type the port. Type an alias that will identify your LDAP certificate. Click Retrieve Signer Information. Click OK. Click Save. Click Global Security. Make sure Federated Repositories is selected. Click Configure. Click Add Repositories. Click New Repository. Click LDAP Repository. Type a repository identifier for your entry. Select the directory type. Type the host name for the LDAP. Type the secure port for the LDAP. Type the bind distinguished name. Type the bind password. Click Require SSL.
Thanks for watching this episode of IBM Support TV. Please leave a comment with topics you would like to see in future episodes. Until then, stay tuned.
You can use the LDAP Test Query feature under Related Items. Refer to the comments section for a link on how this is done. Click OK. Type the base distinguished name. Click OK. Click Save. Log out of the system. Important: a restart of WebSphere is required for the new LDAP to start working. You have successfully added an LDAP to your federated repository.